Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, or at least he's trying to be. Jay knows credit. Don't forget, credit is queen. Make this video very short and sweet for everyone. Not gonna make it long-winded, okay? Y'all know I am long-winded. But this video is for the people who want to become affiliate partners with their authorized users. That means that you have a credit card where you're able to add authorized users, and you want to sell these authorized users, and you need the customer base for it. So I'll provide the customer base, and I will basically pay you for every authorized user that you add to your credit card. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna get these questions for the people who don't understand how AUs work. With an authorized user, you're not gonna send anybody a credit card. If you do have to order a card, all the cards will come to your home. When you get that credit card, you can shred it, cut it up, or whatever, right? People being added as an authorized user does not affect your credit whatsoever. It does not hurt your credit score. It does not hurt your credit standing. It does not hurt you with the credit card company at all. I will have the information from the clients. I will have their social security cards, their IDs, and stuff like that, because there will be instances where the creditor will ask you to prove that you know this person, and then I'll have to send you a copy of that person's ID, social security card, in order to verify it. Once it's verified, everything is fine on your account, and you'll have no problems. So you can make anywhere between $50 to $300 for every person you add as an authorized user. I'm saying that because every credit card is going to be different. You're going to have credit cards that have more history than others, ones that have bigger limits than others, and that combination of things is going to change the price of your authorized users as far as the value of it. So people want to pay more for ones that have longer history, but even if you have a short history, I want ones that at least have a year, but you can apply even if you have one that you only had for 6 months, 5 months, because a lot of times when I'm building a profile, I need cards that have bigger limits. I need cards that may not need as much history. I just need that utilization so I can combine that with other cards. But that's neither here nor there. For those of y'all who want to become partners, I'm going to have the link in the description of this video. You can click that link, fill out this form, and I will give you a call. You can upload your cards, not your physical cards, but you're going to be uploading a screenshot of the limits and the balances. Now, for the balances, if you do want to become a partner, your balance has to stay at 12% or less. 12% or less is very, very important. I don't need it near 30%. I know that's good. I want people to use these AUs and have excellent chances of getting funding. So the balances need to be at 12%. I know a lot of people have credit cards that don't use that often. So if you do have a credit card you're not really using that much, that could be a great opportunity for you to make some part-time income by adding somebody as an authorized user to your credit card. And I think that's pretty much it as far as what you need to have. One big thing is you don't want to have any late payments. You can't have any late payments in the history of that card whatsoever. You have to submit the reporting date of the credit card. So some people don't know the reporting date. Your reporting date is not the same as your payment date. You might have a payment date on the 6th, may report to your credit, to the credit bureaus for the 11th or by the 11th. All right. Right now, it is a very, very busy time. My authorized users right now are pretty much filled for the most part. So I'm looking for more AU partners who do want to make some money. And it's an easy way to make money. All you really have to do is call your credit card companies, say you want to add such and such person, give them the information that they need, social, blah, 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 blah. But within 2 or 3 minutes, that person's been added. You send me a screenshot that that person has been added to the AU, and then you are paid. One way I'm going to verify is by you sending that upload. That's going to be in the form you fill out. You have to send an upload screenshot of your online banking so I can prove that this is your card. I can also prove that that is the limit. But one way I'm going to be able to verify the actual amount, making sure it's on the 12%, is that you have to add me on to that card. That way I can monitor the card to make sure that my clients are getting the right reporting. And in any case, if you were to go over 12%, let me know very well in advance. Also, if you need me to remove people from there or not add any new people because you need to use that card, let me know that in advance, because any money that you're paid, I will have to get refunded back if I have a client who gets added on to that card and it doesn't report as such, because I have to now move that person from one card or that card to another card, and I have to compensate somebody else, which, you know, you can't be paid for that if you didn't follow. Now, as far as how long are they going to be added on to your card, they're going to be on your card for only 2 billing cycles. So you might add somebody on, let's say your card reports on March the 9th. And March the 9th, right now, it is February 22nd or 23rd, I believe. I don't know. My days get mixed up. But March the 9th is fastly approaching. So when March the 9th hits, April the 9th hits, after April the 9th, April the 10th, you can take them off that credit card. Very, very simple. 2 billing cycles. They get 2 billing cycles, and that's it. The benefit of that for the client is to help them get funding. So if you need help selling your AUs, or you didn't know you can actually sell your AUs, and you want to make a part-time income from my client base, people that are calling, wanting to be added, this is a great opportunity for you to make some income without actually doing a whole lot of work. 2 or 3 minutes on the phone or online to add somebody as authorized user is very, very easy to do. All right, but that's it. That's all I have for this video. If you want to become a partner, go through the link in the description and you can sign up today. And as usual, God bless you. God bless your finances. It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, or at least he's trying to be. Jay Knows Credit. Signing out. Credit's Queen.